If you're new here, I'm Rob. I'm a self-taught AI builder from Yorkshire, non-technical background. I basically learned it all self-taught over the last 2 years. What I do is Chrome extensions, MCP servers, N8N automations. I mainly concentrate on videos. I'm learning a lot now on how to get Claude to make the videos. And any AI tool that's out there, I'll have a go at. I've got a Skool community, so if you want to get over there, you can have a look. Subscribe, share, let's get on with it. Hi there, just going to make a quick video about the video agent that I made. Basically, it's a Remotion video, and it's got all these extra libraries in there. So you've got a library, and it's got all these, all in categorized. Just little Remotion effects that are just a bit more than others. I'll just show you what you can do in them. So like you've got the Remotion there. If we play it, it comes out like so. You can change the word. So let's go, we'll call it bald for some reason. Well, lonely. Why not? And you can see it updates in real time, and then you just simply render it. Some other features, you've got your branding features. We've got a time lapse where you can just, it's a mini editor, you can use it, don't use it, whatever. We've got AI compose, AI generate, AI studio. Just ask it what you want and it'll render it. Import code, so if you find a code like on X, you can just put the code in there and it'll try and render. And if it doesn't render, it'll just say, just make it short or fix it, and it'll fix it. Script a video, ask it what you want, and it will do it. You can clear the mood. To get the moods, you just go mood library, and you can just click one of these for the mood, and they'll apply the mood to the script. But you don't need that. You've got voice ID. You can just change your voice ID. It runs with ElevenLabs, and it'll just build a video. So you can just ask it for a video, and it will build a video. I make me a video, five scenes. First scene should be a floating panel. Second scene should be type text, something like that, and it'll do it for you. You can drop an image in there, and it'll give you a brief for the image. We've got some hero library ones. I basically just, you can download from Meshy and Blender, and use a Blender to animate it. So should you want these, you can change the colours and stuff like that. And you can just add to the library. So we've got an auto edit. So basically you've got a file on your computer, you put your pathway there, and it'll auto edit it, and you can just say remove filler. Just tick what ones you want on the box. Daily render, don't really use, don't know why it's in there, to be honest. Prompt tables, paste prompt manually. Oh, these are all your renders that you've done over time. That's what that is. So it's all your previous renders, and you can just reuse them again. And then you've got your render history, and it shows you if it's done, if it failed for whatever reason. Then you've got clean up, so you can just clean up there. Now you can render all these 26 block previews, which I haven't done, which I might just do now. Just going to press render on there, and that should go to in the preview blocks where you go here. Where there isn't a render already, it'll just render one in. Like for this one here, I just asked it to put a thumbnail, and it created a thumbnail, and it put the thumbnail there because it says Big Booty. I just played around and put Big Booty on it. So this is Video Agent. As you can see, quite a lot of time, quite a lot of effort, all good stuff. If you want it, I think it's on Gumroad. and it's available to people in the Skool community. You just download the file, ask Claude to install it, and boom, up and away you go. When you first open it up, it'll ask you for API keys.